You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you but we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone. Yeah, we alone. We alone.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ziggy. Happy birthday to you.
I mean, I like the cake.
So guys, I want to go buy this guy a cake, but he's so picky.
Yo, I'm not picky. I like when
you like Jamaican cake. Just leave it at that.
Because I like the icing. That the part.
There's nothing wrong with their icing.
It's too softy.
So is it supposed to be hard? I don't get it.
Yeah.
No.
The frig. They gonna do that and that's a squeeze up. Anywho, chicken back and stew. Hey, turn about this with the water.
Come wet him up, Nyla.
No.
Nyla. Nyla, come wet up, Dada. Come. Not me. Him. Nyla. Nana? So yo, we're here at home.
No?
Ziggy's birthday. He has work tomorrow. He has work tonight.
No?
Yeah, I guess you can.
No?
This guy doesn't want to do nothing. He just wants to literally chill, which I totally understand because he has work later. So plus there's not really much to do. He doesn't want cake. He doesn't want anything. He's being a party pooper. I need to go wash my hair. Currently just have a treatment in it, so yeah, that's why my head's looking like a bird nest. Z, what do you want to do? You don't want ice cream. You want ice cream?
Nisha.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go get an ice cream cake.
Okay.
Ice cream cake?
Go on.
Okay. So you guys, left my camera in the backyard. Ziggy literally does not want to do anything for his birthday. Anything. Where are you going? Oh. Oh my god, breathe. Oh my god, I can't breathe. Whew. Whew. Holy shiznit. So yeah, as I was saying, Ziggy doesn't want to do it for his birthday. For all of my years of knowing my husband, he never wants to do anything for his birthday. He never wants to do one damn thing, but let it be your birthday and he wants to surprise you and do all this stuff. So annoying. But anyways, I'm just gonna go get a cake. Even though he said he didn't want one, I'm still gonna get him one. I'm gonna get him an ice cream cake. He doesn't really fancy our cakes up here. So that's why at first I was kind of like iffy to buy him a cake, because I'm like, what's the point of you blowing out a cake if you're not going to eat it? So he has work later, so we're just chilling in the backyard. Literally just going to be a chill day. I originally planned, Niagara Falls was supposed to be like his first, like his birthday trip, and it was his first time up there, but coronavirus just sussed it. Like it kind of made me wish that I waited, but nevertheless it was just nice to get out and do something a little different. Yeah, that was Ziggy. I forgot what I was saying. He made me lose my train of thought. Anyways, I'm on my way to Dairy Queen to get him a little ice cream cake. So, back home with his birthday cake, I stopped to get some candles. And then I also got him some scratch tickets that are underneath the cake. I know I heard somebody.
Happy birthday! Recycle bag.
I mean this.
Yeah. Are you that?
Good.
I know. You're welcome.
Thank you.
No.
What going on, Vanessa?
Why are you so loud?
The pool's empty.
I know, I'm lowering up my place now. I can't.
Oh, it's spicy habanero.
Spicy habanero.
The boss here, man. I can't have your birthday and have spicy habanero.
You should have got the what's the thing he eats from Tim Hortons, the melt.
I'm never gonna get him.
Me know it.
No respect, man.
Don't wanna give up
Still
your spicy
appreciate
habanero.
Yeah,
Day and night, this I wanna eat you.
So when get up, go get the man juice.
Why have you
You
missed
let it
the
in the car,
birthday?
it's gonna melt.
Juice? Oh, pop. For the...
Respect, man.
What do you do? Get large fries too? Did he really?
I started laughing when he told me.
That's funny.
Yeah.
I mean,
That's fast for you.
cheese.
And cheese, yo.
You say that no walk.
Don't mind the wrapping job.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
I had to wrap it on the way.
Oh.
Yeah, no, star. Place just quiet as you.
And you know, say, men just when they play music, man, think that man not even know I want to eat. Yes.
Oh, it's so nice of you.
That's a Nyla truck.
Nice, man.
Man,
It's not hers.
Over. So come and go see. I know that you get asked to that man.
I know.
they should
Keep forgetting every time.
make a garden.
Shit. Make a garden in the truck.
You gotta work later.
Yeah, no. Eh?
You gotta work later.
Yeah, man. You must say my boy, they say a couple hours.
You're gonna sit
Couple hours in my day.
Come with me, man.
Eh?
Come with me.
Oh my god!
Yo,
nice
you gotta come with me.
I know. Hennessy shoes.
That's American.
I want buy me, I say, I never want boot, you know.
Wasn't it heavy? Didn't you feel? Didn't you feel the box? The box didn't feel heavy. It didn't feel weighty.
No. Can we just take out and just put it over yourself? Let's seriously, I want boot in.
That's why I have to stop him. I said, just in case he starts shaking. Stop it.
Can you imagine?
Yo, enough respect, bro.
Oh,
Nah,
Lord.
mama, big up for yourself.
Man. Oh.
Appreciate that, you know?
It's like for me, I just want you guys to grow, you know what I mean?
I know, for real.
Appreciate that,
I
you know?
want you guys to grow, man.
I know. We're trying. We need to be more consistent though too.
Yeah.
It's just trying to find the motivation. Sometimes you got the motivation's not there.
Yeah, definitely, you know what I mean? You just have to have that motivation and all of that.
True,
And every
man.
time, you know, like, I see Ziggy as my brother because the kindness and the love that he has within him, that's the type of person I am, you know what I mean?
For real.
Yeah, that's the type of person that I am. I mean, I'm a February born, you know what I mean? And,
See? Man.
yeah, man. Love and appreciate you guys, man. You know what I mean?
What's your name again? Jeffrey. So we're
Why you doing
we're
that?
currently vlogging, so I hope you don't mind. Big up Jeffrey Palmer.
That's cool, man. That's cool.
Big up Jeffrey. He's actually the first person to call us on Snapchat. You know, we told you guys last night to call us, and Jeffrey beat you guys.
The boss called me this morning, but me down in the kitchen and mad up a liquor one crime, man.
Yeah.
Real, man. Real. Yeah, I say things set, man, because as you know, them say real, no real, you know, and when you really go attract real people around your same speed, you know, so, you know?
Yes, brother. Yeah, definitely. Man. Because even I was in Jamaica January, and you guys went on like, no, I was in Jamaica December.
Yeah.
But you guys went on earlier.
Yeah.
When I came to Montego Bay, I was like, man, if I knew where you guys were, I would have definitely come see you guys. You know what I mean?
We're gonna
You could have link up, man, because if you even link you up on the Insta, because majority of the time, already from Mobile too. Yeah. So my time, and even closer to we same way. Even though I'm not really 100 on the Mobile side still, because too much negative energy down there somewhere while, isn't me?
Yeah. You want to come and send yet?
Yeah, man, I pass through them places, you know. Like, if I stop there for tell you the truth, like, me now can tell you, say, yeah. Because, yeah, like, or that just pass through thing, you know.
St. is a big place. Where I'm originally from is from Junction side. Junction, like after you come down from Mandeville. Me originally from The south side.
I
South
think
side junction.
I burn through this a couple of times, man. Cause a couple of times I go up there, so I go buy a carrot, you know. And I charge them,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Most definitely, brother.
Enough respect, man.
Yeah, man. But we definitely keep a link, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, just...
Happy birthday. When is your birthday anyway?
I tell them, man.
I see that.
Yeah, man.
Dress up for your birthday, man.
Enough respect for that, G. Enough respect.
Yes, man.
Yeah, so to see...
You're gonna make it, brother. Make it, you know.
Well...
You're gonna make it, man. Because remember when just from America, you know, we never have nothing in my youth.
For
We
real.
never have nothing. We never have nobody to stand with me and help me.
True.
And because we have a determination, so you have to make it.
You want
have to
something.
make it, and you know, I love you. You're always a prayer, brother. I love that boy.
True, man.
Yes.
For real, man.
But definitely, brother, we definitely have to link up one day.
Yeah, man. You don't know... You link the day, you know, so... You know what I mean? Can't link up, man, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Let's go and bless up yourself, man, you know?
Yes, man. Yes, man. We link up, man. Tell Nisha hello.
Bye.
Yeah, me know so you guys already see a picture or a photo on this thing, but you know, we have a send a picture to you.
Yeah. It would be nice to put a face to who we're talking to.
True.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that to you straight. I'm gonna send some pictures to you.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Just know, so we go... when me not include all our go on, but we are just dropping some light on the vlog same speed, you see me?
Yes, man. Most definitely.
Alright, my G. Bless up yourself and God bless, yeah? Yo, how feel
Look mean?
look at your panty foot.
No. Is it still lean? Wait, yeah, I can feel it.
That one's well lean.
This one's almost like Bailey's, but like it's
Yeah, man. Hey, remember time.
Or should I got you ice?
You want to slide? No, we are going to slide, Coco.
I'll leave you some.
Yeah.
Hold on, what you do?
Thank you. Yes, Nala, bring me food.
Oh my God, cake. Or a cookie.
Me not even know.
Bun.
Okay, fuck.
Girl, I'm fuck. What do you mean? Yeah, you put on a can fuck. What do you mean? She carry food and she forget the fuck and she go back feed.
Bless. Yo.
So more life, more friendship, more blessings.
Yep.
Yeah. At home, we didn't know we didn't know if we're allowed to bust fireworks, but we're just gonna go buy some.
You call
bust
it.
Call the station. We literally just called like 5 different places to see if we can get fireworks.
Knock at the door.
So we go to light and run next them.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Well, it's only like probably you and Mario will be by closer to it. We'll stand far.
Do you think
they're not
wise for these two to light it?
Why?
Mario probably light it and stand there away.
We'll just bring a bucket of water there with us. I think you're supposed to have like water or something. It's on the field. Like, what's the worst that's gonna happen?
You get the instruction.
You're the one that say, oh boy, you came up with the idea.
I know. Anyways, we're about to go on a road trip to go find some fireworks.
I'm gonna ask them out. I joke, man. I want to look on cuss me out the night coming.
Someone said someone else won. Someone did say that.
What?
What team they say win? You said something and then someone else was like, I don't remember. Forget it. I forgot.
When?
Why is the camera on you like that? Where's your face?
When?
Is zooming too much.
You know,
That's the one thing I hate about that camera. You know, as soon as you turn it on, it just zooms right into your.
when you say somebody win, that
You said something and someone's like, no, Ziggy, this team win.
when?
Forget it. Forget it.
No, me ask you when for true.
How much vlogs have I uploaded? It's like 2 vlogs I've uploaded.
But me don't know if can me see they snap early and me don't know it.
Yeah, vlog.
freak.
A vlog.
Yo. I like talk to them.
I don't like talking to you either.
Yo.
Leave me now.
Don't know star. So anyway, we say we dey jump on a ship you know.
Jump a ship.
Yeah, you know that's what I mean. We are jump the ship, we are go on
You
the
gotta have
road.
to turn around. I feel car sick.
What are you foolish?
Yay!
I feel really car sick.
What?
I feel car sick.
Who?
Yo,
Shanique,
so we
drive?
are go buy
No?
some.
Shine goes here.
No.
Yo, I'm
That's why I know Shine's on a rider. Shine goes.
What's up, Carson?
No, Shan put his head when Shan's pushing your guys' car. Yo, Shan needs a race car when she's driving.
Every time I tell him to take time driving in here.
But Shan drives like a man.
Hello, Shan, let me have done a work this conversation. Just take time going up. Champ, I'm calling you for him saying, what me tell you something? Like, really?
Okay, for the last time, did anyone put the address in the GPS? 'Cause right now, I don't even know. I'm just driving.
Yeah, we're reach there.
Ziggys, you pay a truck?
Ready?
What about it?
Yes, I go need to be out him.
You're gonna say yes.
Babe, you know put the address on your phone.
340
360
Yeah, that's exactly it.
Yo, see ya.
It's kaboom.
007. Oh, no, don't know that's in the set already in here. See me?
My mom has been to that one and
Hold on,
spent
let me
3
see.
bills, and we got like close to nothing.
1,
We said you should go in there and walk down in that trailer because they make you walk through.
How we have how much money box? It tells you, I think it's like 30 something.
36 shots.
This is 70
1, 2,
shots.
3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
I went out with the funny battlefield.
30.
Yeah, she said to go on an open
36.
space.
You're gonna have to go.
And she
We're
said
gonna
you
You see that?
But now come down now and make
She
it
said-
work.
Say yo. Crazy sin thing.
Here, this is what about night now come down here for that word.
I remember how I got here.
Put
Do
on
you
my
remember how you got
seatbelt.
here? You could take this road and go straight down.
So guys, last year we tried to do fireworks. Tried to go watch fireworks, I mean, but it was crazy packed. So by the time we got there, it was like already done. I was low-key scared, but I got her little earmuffs on. So everybody's literally going to the field right now. Like the whole neighborhood's crazy because you never see people out their house in our neighborhood. It's so loud though. Whew, I'm out of breath. Already? I don't like this.
Hey, mama. You doing something?
She's scared.
She's scared?
Don't bring her too over there though. It's too loud.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I am. Let me catch a picture when you and Nyla when it goes up. I was trying to call. Those are the I hate those ones. But yeah, literally everybody's out.
I like it. I like it.
That's what I'm saying. You don't see like no one really out in the neighborhood, and then all of a sudden.
Come see when I go.
Mommy, don't stay too close to it. No. I'm so scared. Like it's all the way over here. Hold on, Nella. Hold on.
So Nisha, just run across your road.
Because I have Nella. It's the only reason why. It's the only reason why I run.
Them low though.
They are.
Enjoy the view.
Someone like him.
Oh, I know. Mate, tawa kaya lighter di saya. Iya, Mario. Kom, med det light daw yung blood clot.
Yo, light I can't do.
Ako di maasabi na Mario. Na Mario, ito na Ipasa si Seto, ma. Kami Mario, kaya galay lawan ni. Yo, we are going to you are. Ready. Hey Mario, it goes like it goes to over.
Ending off our Canada day.
Later, Ziggy.
Oh, Lyra, look.
Say hi.
Hi. Yeah, baby. Huh? Fireworks. Nala's trying to blow up the. What? Touch it? Nala's trying to. No. So guys, the vlog's ending right here. We're literally just on my porch, just chilling out. The mosquitoes are deadly out here. My back right now. Shandam are about to like go home because her hubby has work tomorrow. Here. While Ziggy has his day off. So post your people and go find the video. But anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. you guys in my next vlog. Make sure you guys go over and follow the Williams family. They're almost at 2K. Let's get them to 2K. 2K, hey. Watch Shannon her phone. She cusses Mario when he's on his phone. I watch her.
Ready?
Yeah, man, that's true.
Hello, but he's on his phone. You want the phone?
And